Learn how to make lemonade the easy way. Keep watching. Hello everybody, me and Autumn and Brandy's in the kitchen today. We're going to make up some old-fashioned lemonade, unsweet with Splenda.
Yes.
No sugar. I can't do the sugar.
Lemonade?
You want lemonade? Say hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Oh, well, look at the camera.
You gotta look over here.
Wait.
Say hi everybody.
Hey!
What?
Hi, everybody!
Well, we'll be right back with you and get started on this little project.
So we're gonna start with 3 lemons and see how much juice that gives us. So we're gonna cut up the lemons.
This is what we're making it down. Probably just half, maybe. We'll see. I hope these lemons fit in this squeezer.
I might have to cut the ends off.
Ooh, those are juicy lemons.
Just a minute.
Quarter it.
Quarter it.
Yeah, half it right there. Gonna take them a second to do this. And I like to turn it over the other way. But I bet it's a big lemon. And squeeze it again. Oh yeah, lot more juice. I have a juicer, but that's a lot more cleanup. That's kind of strong. I still got a lot of juice in it. Cut that in half.
All around it.
Oh yeah.
Squish it again.
Squeeze it again.
See, all around it.
She's trying to eat a lemon.
It's all around it.
Yeah.
I guess I did get all the juice out of it. Try it again. Yep, you gotta watch that acid.
Get you a drink.
It's hot.
Gone.
That's why you hear me.
No, you can't eat that, baby. You just tried.
Why? That's why you hear me.
Whoa!
Whoa!
We'll squeeze that now. It got soaked.
Why you ready? Why you ready, Mommy?
Yeah.
Please, Mommy.
You gotta wait.
I tried eating it.
You gotta wait.
Please.
Look at that juice.
It's all water juice.
Yeah.
A whole lot of juice.
What? I like eating it. Please.
I remember my granny used to do this when we was little.
Yeah, but they had that one.
Yeah, they had that like orange juicer thing.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
That's why you know.
Yummy. Woo!
Y'all making my mouth water just looking at y'all.
Just making y'all's mouth water, y'all.
Adams.
Smelling good over here.
Smelling like lemon. Lemon pledge.
Look at her. She is slobbering.
I got
Yeah, it's sour.
It's supposed to be.
That's right.
No, no more.
It's right.
Did they give it to me?
It's not good for your belly.
No, it's not good for the teeth.
That too.
Belly, it's okay for, as long as you don't do too much. No, he doesn't. Let me have that. I'm almost done.
It's a lot of juice for just 3 lemons. That's gonna make quite a bit of lemonade. Autumn, please. Let me have it.
Let go.
Mm.
Fascinating how much juice you can get out of a lemon. You still got one more.
Oh, still got one more. That's good. Whoa.
That one spit at you.
Almost got me in the eyes.
Uh-oh.
It would in anyway. Try to sling it out of there. That's all right. We'll fish it out. Well, that's it. We're going to clean up and we'll be right back with y'all. Okay, we're back and ready to put it all together. Got a half a gallon of water in the jug. A 3/4 cup of the lemon juice. I hope that's enough. If not, I got 3 more lemons. And how many packs of Splenda?
12.
12 packs of Splenda. We'll give that a try. If it ain't enough, we'll do some more.
Stand up.
I just can't have sugar because of diabetes. We'll give it a good stir.
You want to stir it?
Stir it. Good job. You're doing great. My turn. Mama's turn.
Yay.
Are you ready to taste
You
it?
ready? Yeah, come on. Put that there. Yeah,
A cup of ice. I love these old jelly jars. I'm gonna move it over here to the edge of the counter.
Stay right there.
Just get a little tasted sample. I would say a couple of more packs of Splenda. Give it a try.
Actually, it's pretty sweet to me.
Pretty sweet to you. Is that good?
Yummy, she said.
You give it a thumbs up? All right, let me taste again.
She says more.
Been many a year since I had any real lemonade. Stuff you buy in a store is not real.
No.
But this is another take from Pafford Homestead.
I think Autumn likes it.
Yeah. I know it's good for the liver. Hey, you can put a little bit of that in your tea too. So, you like it? Well, I think we found something she likes to drink.
Great. She keeps saying great.
Say, well, subscribe.
This right.
Give us a thumbs up.
That's up.
And
Ring the bell.
ring the bell.
Hello.
Say
See
bye,
you
y'all.
Bye.
Say love you.
Love you.
Kiss.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. We're not ready to do